Want to change taskbar color on Windows 11? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is right-click anywhere on your home screen and then select the option of personalize. Once you get here, click on colors. Now scroll down a bit and you should find the option show accent color on start and taskbar. As you can see, you're not able to toggle this on because it says this setting only works in Windows dark mode. So scroll up and find the choose your mode option. Click on the drop down and select dark. After that, you simply want to toggle on the show accent option over here. Once it has been toggled on from this list of Windows color, go ahead and select whichever you prefer. As you can see in the preview, your taskbar color has been changed. Go ahead and select whichever you want, then exit out of the settings and you can see that your taskbar color has been successfully changed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.